Have you ever wondered why your knuckles make that popping sound when you crack them? Most people think it's their bones rubbing or snapping together, but that's actually a myth. So, what's really causing the noise? But first, if you believe Jesus is your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior is Satan, share this video to show your love for Jesus and leave a heart for him. Inside your joints is a lubricating fluid called synovial fluid that contains tiny dissolved gases. When you stretch or bend your fingers, the pressure changes, allowing small gas bubbles to form and collapse, creating the familiar popping sound you hear.